5 ways to make money on Binance. 1. Trading. One of the most common ways to make money on Binance is by trading cryptocurrencies. You can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies on the Binance platform, taking advantage of market movements to make a profit. 2. Staking. Binance offers various staking options that allow users to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies in their Binance accounts. Staking involves locking up your coins to support the operations of a blockchain network, and in return, you can earn additional tokens or rewards. 3. Savings. Binance Savings is a feature that allows users to earn interest on their idle cryptocurrency holdings. By depositing your coins into the Binance Savings account, you can earn a passive income in the form of interest payments. 4. Launchpad. Binance Launchpad is a platform for investing in new blockchain projects and tokens. By participating in token sales and initial coin offerings (ICOs) on Binance Launchpad, you can potentially make a profit if the projects you invest in perform well. 5. Affiliate Program. Binance has an affiliate program that allows users to earn a commission by referring new users to the platform. By sharing your unique referral link and getting others to sign up and trade on Binance, you can earn a percentage of the trading fees generated by your referrals.
Thank you, sir.